How to message someone on Threads app. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to Login Helps, and on today's tutorial we will see how we can message someone on Threads app. So without any further ado, let's get started. First off, launch the Thread application. Currently, the Thread app is not designed to direct private messaging like Instagram or WhatsApp. You can only interact with others through posts, comments, and likes. Direct one-to-one chat features are not part of Threads application yet. But messaging on Threads may instead redirect you to Instagram DMs if the user profile is linked. So for that, you have to get to their Threads profile. Once you're on their profile, tap on the Instagram icon from the top right corner. Now that's gonna take you to your Instagram DM. So from here, you can simply tap on message and then message this person through Instagram. Here you have to ensure that your Instagram and Threads accounts are linked for seamless messaging. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.